You need to hear this if you want to keep your family calm during an emergency. Small steps today mean safety tomorrow. Let's build a resilient home. Start with a plan. Pick 2 meeting spots, one near home, one outside your neighborhood, and program emergency numbers into everyone's phone. Next, the emergency kit. Keep a grab-and-go bag per person, water for 72 hours, non-perishable food, flashlight, spare batteries, basic first aid medications, copies of important documents, and a phone power bank. Store supplies safely. Keep water and documents off the floor if you're in a flood zone, and put heavy items low and secured if you're in an earthquake area. For power outages, have a charged battery pack and, if possible, a small generator or solar charger. Test them now, not during the storm. Train your household, practice a quick drill every few months, show kids how to turn off gas and water if appropriate, and agree on who's in charge of pets. Community matters? Know your neighbors, share plans, and check on the elderly after an event. Quick checklist. Plan meeting spots, 72-hour kit per person, secure heavy furniture, backup power, family drills, emergency contacts and documents stored safely. You don't need to be perfect, just prepared. Calm planning turns fear into action. Start one small thing today and build from there. You've got this.